Oh yes, I'm here again with a beautiful video to educate you or to make you learn how to make some simple things to make your space beautiful, just like this very one. This simple trick will make you learn how to design a wall shelf where you can keep your flowers and make your sitting room, your office, your space beautiful. Let's watch. This is very educative. Things you can do yourself at home. Get a cardboard, cut it to the size you want, and these are things you can easily get around. The cardboard and this ice cream stick. This looks so simple. Please watch to the end. You will like it. It's looking beautiful already. Wow. Looks so simple. The materials to make this stuff is just simple. They are easy to get around. Then get your color. Paint it the type of color you want it. This yellow color is beautiful. What do you think? Yeah. The yellow color is beautiful. It all depends on the interior of your space. Now, no one would doubt it's made of. Wow. If you tell somebody it's made of wood, they won't doubt it. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos like this and hit the notification bell for more beautiful videos like this. So beautiful. Wow, thank you for watching. Bye bye.